When we partnered with Televerde, the initial goal was to test it out and go find us new companies, manufacturers that we have not worked with in the past, and open those doors and create new logo sales opportunities for our field sales organization.
Our first year, the client thought that they knew best. There is actually an inside joke that we tie back to the Days of Thunder movie.
What do you want?
Tell you what, you run 50 laps anywhere you like, then 50 laps like I want you to. Give me an honest run. If you do, I'm gonna...
We were able to eventually get Hexagon on board to want to try things the Televerde way, and when we ran at 50 laps our way, the sky is the limit. We still continue to deliver.
Televerde has been instrumental in generating over 1,500 new opportunities for our sales organization. That has equated over $60 million in pipeline that we have out there. And we have closed over 150 deals worth over $15 million during that time frame.
The energy and the passion that the folks at Perryville have for the work that they do for Hexagon was astounding. You could feel it, and it was more than just a financial equation at that point for us, and we knew that we had to give it some space to breathe and throw some more resources towards the initiative. And since then, we've seen a spike in the return on investment for us. They've become an integral part of our go-to-market team. They work hand in hand with our outside sales folks, and the partnership has flourished since.
We have transformed the way we work. We've partnered with Televerde. We've utilized some of the best practices that they've put into place with other companies that they support, and have seen a tremendous uptick in the opportunities generated, the pipeline that's been created, and the sales results have followed. The reason why the Televerde partnership is important to me is not only do we have the proven results there and the return on investment that we've made, but it is those lives we've impacted. It's the 50 plus people that we've been working alongside with, and they've been on this journey with us through thick and thin. It's the 17 members that have been promoted, being a part of the Hexagon program and really investing and putting their hard work behind it to get recognized within the Televerde organization and have moved up. It's the 12 people that have graduated out of the program, and now they're able to take those skills that they learned through the Hexagon experience, through the business-to-business selling efforts, and now apply those skills and make a better lives for themselves and their families.
It's a partnership. We get along with each other. We see everything that we do as a team building exercise where we get to, work together and become a stronger unit.
My experience is essentially fun, exciting, challenging, but mostly it is very collaborative. Being on this team has allowed me to have a voice. It's kind of makes me emotional a little bit.
When I sit back and think about our experience with Televerde, yes, the results are there, the sales numbers are there, the ROI is there, the continued collaboration and communication and the improvement to the program is there. But beyond that, it's the impact that we've made on all of those lives and the lives that we continue to make, which makes me feel like I'm doing something good for this world.